Alright guys, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of the app. Settings buttons, what's in the settings buttons, the different modes. You can change how you want for filming. I don't like this mode, it's a little too slow even for filming. And then sport mode, which I basically have turned all my stuff up. I haven't used bank turn yet because I haven't flown in a big enough area. Let's see the interface where you can change the buttons on your controller. You can also use your phone or tablet as a controller and set them up too. Set to different geofencing with the height and the distance, and if you want the geofencing turn on or not. The camera settings, to calibrate your cameras to make sure it's level. If you want to zoom on or off, you make sure you have to make sure you have it on if you want to be zooming. The different types of speeds that you can do for the camera, and then it tells you the different kinds of Wi-Fi and what bands is being used. Alright, now I don't have any of the, didn't buy any of the stuff in the App Store. I don't use Follow Me and all that stuff. I just like to fly manually. But when you go to hit fly, you should get picture. You can hit the little map here and it'll bring up the map of where you're at. And then, like, if you go back to the little box in the corner here, it'll bring back up the picture of that. You can change the different types of camera settings and how fast it goes up and down, the different speeds of the camera and everything. Then there's different video modes. Cinema, which is basically the 4K, which I don't shoot anything 4K. I don't have anything to process 4K. Hyperlapse, slow motion. You can do slow motion right from the drone without even doing editing. And then high speed frame for, like, if you're at like a race car event or track event or something like that, or football, which you're not allowed to do anyways. And then you can change all your ISO settings manually if you want, or just leave them on auto. It tells you the zoom number on it when you zoom in and out. And let's see, that's pretty much it. To calibrate it, you have to hit the percentage of the drone, and then you have to hit calibrate drone and do the little steps it tells you to do. I'm not going to calibrate it because I'm in the house, but pretty much that's just a quick little walkthrough of the app.